Hello and welcome back. Now, this is going to be the last episode for this year because, well, my surgery is coming up, so, yeah, in a couple days. You may guess the passenger seat actually arrived. And I do have a spare driver's seat now because of the damage it occurred and the claim and all that, and they just didn't really want it back. Now I can fix it and have a seat for the 68 GTO. But now that this is in, I can get this one set up and ready. I thought that plastic was a good idea until it keeps getting in my way to work. At least it'll keep the seat clean. Now the fun part is dropping all the bolts because I forget I opened that. Oops. Yeah, now I'm going to spend the next rest of what daylight I have picking all these up. Because you know how it is when you drop anything. Now this will be short and sweet because I really don't have that much left. Well, yeah, I really actually don't. I have some ideas, some things to do, and yeah, we're just gonna roll with what I got for winter. And whee! Ah, there it goes. Just drop right in. No, need to move a little. Of course, it's not going to be completely easy. I didn't move that bracket over far enough. Let's make do with how it is. I'm going to have to crawl on the other side for a second to reach these other bolts. Go figure. And I'm missing the washer. If you can see me trying it out. Not bad, not bad. A lot better than it was last time. Now I got to get my dash clips on, pop the dash in. And get back out. Let's try that. After I get the dash out. How did I do this last time? Oh, yeah, the door is open. Yeah. That's right. I hate some of Wayne. Now, I'll get the clips back in and pop that in place real quick. Well, lo and behold, I run into another problem. OER clip, new dash. It has so much that polyurethane in it that it's actually not clipping in properly. Nothing I can do about it now. It's getting too dark, and I really ain't gonna have time to work on it anytime soon. So I got the clips, but have to wait till spring, which is okay because I do got some new ideals coming up for this anyway. And yeah, I really want to do more, but at least the passenger seat is in. I got my OER clips for that. I just can't put them on yet until, you know, later. And I'm gonna have to figure out how to do this right and not tear up the dash to get those in. Like I said, it's gonna be a short video, but it's the last one for the year. And as you see, it's getting dark quick. I only have like 30 minutes of working out here before it gets dark and cold. So yeah, I still got the plastic on the seats, but you know, the interior's coming together now. It's looking a lot better. It's already getting dusty though. Seats are in, it's taken care of. I can kind of sit back and relax now, wouldn't you know. Yeah, this is as far as I'm going to take it this year, because well, that's about all I can do. These little clips, I'm going to have to figure out how to get them in this new dash. Looks like the holes got overfilled. Not sure what to do there. Figure it out come springtime. Then got to figure out the dash bezel on the passenger side, if I want to put the original back in or the billet aluminum. I'm kind of not the biggest fan of the billet aluminum anymore, so I don't know. Depends. I think I'm going to have a custom emblem made for it though. And yeah, hopefully come springtime comes around, we'll get back to this and hit it harder and keep going on it and try to get further along on it. It's come a long way already. The fact that all the interior is in it and it feels like a truck again. Don't feel just like some hunk of metal sitting out there. So that helps the motivation to finish building the project. And like I said, springtime, because surgery and winter, it's going to have to wait. As well as still some back order parts, but it's part of it anymore. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. As always, thanks for watching.